I'm Penelope Davies, and I have the good fortune of working with our brand new data science program, which we are thrilled to have. It came about after a great deal of interest from the community. With our technology, they are receiving huge amounts of information about their companies, and to have a data analysis individual, or data scientist, I should say, more correctly, to be able to come in and analyze that data. And our department is truly dedicated to allowing our students to have a real strong foundation in data science, so they can go and help our companies and our community to interpret what does that information mean. So potential jobs available would involve things such as financial, laboratory, medical analysis of the data. Government agencies are looking for data scientists. So the job market is there right here in our community for our students to take advantage of.